Okay guys, today's video is going to be very straightforward. If you're still there and you're overthinking how to create your first YouTube video, then this video is for you. You want to just stop the overthinking right now and put the video out there. Yeah, if you're new to the channel, my name is Jojo and I make videos on how to get various things done easy and simple. I also talk about YouTube, how to grow from 0 to 1,000 subscribers, and how to generally make some extra income online. Ladies and gentlemen, you're welcome to the channel. So first things first, pick up that camera, pick up that phone and start creating. That's all you need. You don't have to worry yourself so much about how the video is going to look. You don't have to worry yourself so much about what people are going to think about your video. If you ask me, people's opinion about your video should be the least of your problem. Because I tell you for a fact, there are loads and loads of people who are unhappy and they just are looking for a place to spread their unhappiness. So what you want to do is ignore those kind of people, man, and just focus on those people who are actually positive, who encourage you, who give you those little comments that, boost your morale. Those are the kind of people you want to look out for. I give you an instance. I did post a video of how to put together a baby's bathtub, and a guy just commented on the video that, cut your fingernails. I can't imagine how someone is so bothered about my fingernails rather than getting the idea of how to put together the baby bathtub that I was putting out in the video. The guy was more concerned about my nails, and I'm wondering, this guy can't be serious. All I did was just to remove the guy from my channel, and that's it. So basically, I look out for people who are more positive. It doesn't matter what people think, but just do the best you can. Understand that what you're doing is what you love to do, and you are actually making an impact. There are people who want to see your video for one reason or the other. They learn something. Those are the kind of people you're looking out for. So think about it. Having a YouTube channel and you're not posting consistently is like having a gold mine and you forget about the gold mine. I tell you for a fact, there's money to be made on YouTube, but all you need to do is to leave the worry in your head. Don't think about whether the video is going to look good or look bad. Most successful YouTubers that you see on YouTube today, they all started out, creating videos that don't look really good. But today, they've learned, and that's what you also need to do. Start creating something, learn from it, and start growing, from there. And that's the bottom line. So consistency on YouTube is the key. And right now I'm speaking to myself as well. Last year I wasn't too consistent on my YouTube channel, and I said to myself, this year I'm going to be more consistent and let me see how much I can earn from YouTube. Do the best you can. Go on YouTube, watch videos, and just learn from people and try to identify the niche that interests you the most. Speak about it, talk about it, and don't worry yourself. Like I said, don't just worry yourself whether there's going to be views or whether you will get subscribers. These things will come over time. So all I'm going to say is that stop overthinking it. It's not as difficult as we all think. How will people see the way I talk? You talk the way you talk because you are who you are. So if you're worried about how to create a YouTube channel, I will put a link down below this video. Just click on the link and then you can learn how to create your own YouTube channel, and also how to grow. You can watch some of my videos and you will learn how to get your first 1,000 subscribers and your 4,000 watch hours, and then you will gradually get to the monetization stage. And I hope for the best for you. I hope for the best for myself. And pick up the camera, pick up the phone, and just go out there and create videos that you love. I'll see you guys again. Please leave us a like and subscribe to the channel, because this year we will be consistent. That's the key.